Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to turn on flash notification on your Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, any other latest Pixel device running the Android 16 version. So by default, turn off the flash notification. If you want to turn on flash notification, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now here you can search for the flash notification in the search settings or scroll down up to the notification on your Pixel 10 series. Now again scroll down until you can see the flash notification. So you can find the flash notification option in the general section on your device. So tap on a flash notification. Now flash the camera light or the screen when you receive notification or when alarm sound. So when it feature works, here you can see whenever you receive any notification, you can see the screen flash or camera flash on your device. You can also change this screen flash color on your device. So first see the camera flash option. So toggle on this option. Now when you toggle on and tap on a preview, you can see the use flash notification in a camera. So we tap on the preview and you can see this type of flash notification on the camera on your device. Now tap on the screen flash. Here in screen flash you can select the color. Like you here we select the yellow color. Tap on a save option. Toggle on the option. Now tap on a preview to show the how it looks when you receive notification for a screen flash. Now here you can see how it looks. You can see your screen flash yellow. So now enable both camera flash and screen flash. So tap on a preview to show both the screen flash and a camera flash on your device. So you can individually change the color of the screen flash color on your Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel device. So toggle on the option you want to use. If you don't want to use, just toggle off it. Turn off the flash notification for the camera and screen on your Pixel 10 series or any other Android 16 version devices. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.